So good morning. Today's our next topic is Archaebacteria. So first, what is meant by Archaebacteria? So Archaebacteria, it is actually Greek words. Okay. So in which archaeos, which means the ancient, and bacteria means the small rod. So from that, the word is derived. That is the Archaebacteria. So actually, it is a group of the Monera prokaryotes, okay, making of a new primary kingdom with completely different status in the history of the organism. And actually, it is also known as it is the Archaebacteria known to be the oldest living organism on Earth. So they belong to the kingdom Monera, okay, and they shows the characters which resemble on the bacteria. So it is because of that it is classified as a classified into the group of the bacteria. But these bacteria share slightly common characteristic with the eukaryotes. So here structure of the Archaebacteria is given, okay, in which you can see the cytoplasm, ribosome, nucleotide, plasma membrane, cell wall, capsule, pilus, and the flagellum. So generally these bacteria is differ from the other prokaryotes and also differ from the bacteria. So which character make to him differ from other bacteria? So first they possess a unique cell wall structure. How we will discuss later on. I just tell you which characters are make them different. Then the unique plasma membrane structure, then a unique RNA nucleotide sequences, and the unique metabolism, and the deviation in the protein synthesis. So these 5 characters are makes them different, or they are classified into the special group, that is the Archaebacteria. So what are the general characters of these bacteria? So the first, they are the obligate and facultative anaerobes. So what is meant by obligate anaerobes? So obligate anaerobes is a group of the bacteria which can grow only in absence of air and O2. It is a very important for MCQs also. Okay. So what is meant by Archaebacteria? So Archaebacteria is the group of the organism which can only grow in absence of the oxygen and air. Second is the facultative anaerobes. So what is meant by facultative anaerobes? So facultative anaerobes is a group of the bacteria which does not require the oxygen for their growth, but they can grow in presence of oxygen. So because of that, they are called as a facultative anaerobes. So that they flourish in the absence of oxygen, and that is the only why they can undergo methanogenesis. So next is the cell membrane of the Archaebacteria are composed of the lipids. The rigid cell wall provides the shape and support to the Archaebacteria. Then it also protects the cell wall bursting under the hypotonic conditions. Then the cell wall composed of, generally the bacterial cell wall is made up of the peptidoglycan. Okay. But in Archaebacteria, the cell wall is made up of the pseudomorine. Okay. Very important for the MCQ purpose. Okay. So the cell wall of the Archaebacteria is composed of pseudomorine, which prevents the Archaebacteria from the effects of the lysozymes. So lysozymes is the enzyme released by the immune system of the host which dissolve the cell wall of the pathogenic bacteria. Then these do not possess the